Hi, I'm Mike from Craft Supplies USA, and today I'd like to show you the new line of CA glue from GluBoost. GluBoost has long been the gold standard for guitar makers, and it's just starting to get popular in general woodworking. Let me show you what makes GluBoost so special and how it can improve your projects. Here I have the GluBoost Master Glue. This is what you've come to expect from most CA glues on the market, except this is ultra clear, ultra strong, and it comes in two different viscosities, thin and ultra thin. The thin is great for general bonding applications, whether it's parts for an ice cream scoop or pizza cutter, and the ultra thin is really good because it's thinner than water and wicks really well. The other line is the fill and finish. This has a little bit of flexibility to it, which makes it perfect for CA finishes, stabilizing soft punky woods, filling cracks, and so much more. The flexible properties in the CA glue make it much more durable and less prone to chipping and flaking. I did some impact tests with some other leading brands of CA on the market, and this one stood above the rest. It comes in three different viscosities. The original, this is a medium thick thickness. This is great for void filling as well as gluing in pen tubes or other pieces. The next is thin. This is perfect for building up a CA finish because it self-levels really well and will save you time on sanding. The next is the ultra thin. This is thinner than water and wicks into cracks extremely well. This is great for also sealing up pores of your wood fibers and stabilizing soft punky woods. I like to use the ultra thin for the very first coat of my CA finishes because it'll wick into all the wood fibers and seal everything up nice and well. Here you can see I'm applying the ultra thin to a nice bespoke ring blank. And it definitely enhances the clarity and pops the color on the blank. It also gives me some more impact protection because of that nice flexible characteristics of the glue. The other great thing about the fill and finish is that it won't kick over until you spray with Activator. And the very long work time gives you a lot of time to use when you mix it with inlays or the master tint that GluBoost offers. I want to show you a little test. I've got a piece of veneer here. I'll use the original and put a dab on here and show you just how flexible this CA is. Alright, so I'll take the fill and finish original. This is the medium thick viscosity, and we'll put a quarter-sized amount on here. Nice little thick layer across this veneer. And then we'll hit this with some Activator. We'll let this kick over. Alright, so let me break this little piece off that we have of our veneer and we can show you how flexible this CA is. So if I get the veneer and bend this and fold it over, you can see just how much curl we have in this piece. How bent that is, and the CA hasn't cracked. Extremely flexible without cracking. Now that we've done the flexibility test on the veneer, I want to show you how well the ultra thin wicks into the wood fibers and can go deep into those cracks you might have in a piece. So we'll just put a couple of drops on here and you can see just how well this ultra thin wicks into your workpiece. You can see that running all the way down the workpiece, and this will spread all the way through and it'll saturate the entire other side. Let's hit it with some Activator and I'll show you that it still maintains that flexibility we had with the original. They also offer the original formula in a pre-mixed white and black version. It still maintains that flexible characteristics of the original fill and finish, but it's pre-tinted so you can use it on accent bands or decorative inlays. The last glue they offer is the Master Gel. This has a toothpaste-like consistency and is great for filling those larger voids or cracks in your workpieces. Since bringing these in, this has become my go-to glue for doing CA finishes, especially on rings and pens. One of the best parts about the GluBoost system is their Activator. It doesn't bloom or foam white like other CA activators on the market. and I've ruined plenty of projects having my CA turn white and foam up to where I had to turn it all down and start over. We'll do a little side-by-side test with the GluBoost and a regular off-brand version of CA and show you the difference. Alright, let's put a couple drops of the Fill and Finish Original. We'll hit this with the GluBoost Activator. You can see it's curing over and it's remaining nice and clear. Now let's get some off-brand CA. We'll put a few drops. And then we'll hit this with that activator. You can see it hazing, turning white, and foaming up, and as well as there's some fumes and smoke coming off of that as well. Now that we've done the test, hopefully it shows you what makes the GluBoost Activator special and why it's the only activator that I use now. The other great thing about GluBoost is that they provided us a refrigerator to store our glues in to make sure that they are nice and fresh when they're delivered to your doorstep. As always, if you're not using your glue for a long period of time, make sure you put these in the refrigerator and it'll extend the shelf life. And it's not just the glue that's premium, the bottles are premium as well. These aren't prone to cracking and splitting like some of the other bottles on the market, and they also have a self-clearing nozzle. There's a small little needle inside which clears the nozzle every time you put the cap on, ensuring that you don't have clogs you have to punch out later. The other great thing that GluBoost offers is their pack of whip tips. These are perfect for putting on the nozzle of the thin and ultra thin and make it to where it's a nice, even controlled amount that you're applying to your piece. GluBoost is really the next level of CA glues on the market. I love them, I hope you guys give them a shot, and as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more wood turning videos.